Hey, I'm Scott Young, and here we are at 5011 Midland, Fosterville Road in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Midway in between Murfreesboro and Shelbyville. It's on the Rutherford County side of Bell Buckle. Takes about 15 minutes to get to Murfreesboro, probably less than that to Shelbyville. This is a zone 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage and a bonus room. Has all electric appliances and HVAC. Has high ceilings in the living room and dining room, which this is the living room and dining room. Left side of the house is bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms have double closets. Have your hall bath. Bedroom number 2. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, which is a dishwasher, microwave, stove, and refrigerator. All kind of cabinet space. And also a corner pantry. Has a big front yard, not much of a backyard. Has a nice little patio. The majority of the yard is in the front. Master bedroom is on the right side of the house. Big room, ceiling fans, tray ceiling. Double vanities and a large walk-in closet. There's your laundry room, mud room. Has a 2-car garage over there. Up the stairway to the bonus room. Big room. So if you're interested, give me a call. Again, my name is Scott Young. My phone number is 615-578-6125. I have a website, Scott Rent to Own, that has pictures and information not only about this house but other houses coming up. Let me stress, this is not a rent to own house. Right now it's just straight rent. Sign of the times. So please give me a call, 615-578-6125. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.